It's important to remove your makeup properly, and the best method to do that is using double cleanse method. In this method, you use cleansing oil and face wash. So you start with the cleansing oil. The cleansing oil helps to break down the makeup. Apply cleansing oil on the face, rub it in gently, and then wipe off using cotton pads and rinse off using warm water. The next cleansing stage is using facial wash. Take a drop of facial wash on a cotton pad and then rub in gently to cleanse the face. Once done cleansing, rinse off using warm water. So the last step is to apply your evening products. So I'm going to start with a vitamin C serum and then followed by a moisturizer. That's how to remove your makeup properly. I will see you in my next one.